So what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel OJ Marketing. In this video I'm going to be showing you a very unique trick you can use to go on to promoting your CPA marketing offers and make money with CPA marketing. You can see right here I'm making some money right now. I'm just going to show you how you could promote your offers using a cheap paid traffic source, and that particular paid traffic source is none other than this website right here called the PUSHUB.net. And I'm going to walk you through how you can actually promote your offers with this if you do stay tuned to the end of this video right now. So sit back and watch to the end. And guys, if you're new to my channel, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online. Supposing you do like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that could help you boost your income online. You could also come right here and make sure you're subscribed to the channel and your notification bell is on all, so that you do get alerted whenever I release some cool videos that could help boost your income online. With that being said, and no much delay of time, let's dive right into the video of today. And guys, for you to actually accomplish this strategy, firstly you need to get a CPA marketing platform that you're registered on. Maybe you want to use the Cpagrip. You could come right here on Cpagrip, click on register, be brought to this page right here, provide your basic details on all fields having this red asterisk sign, as they are actually indicating the fields that are required for you to fill in out before your account can get created on this platform. You could also see right here that you do have a red asterisk sign on this section, meaning that it's mandatory you agree to the terms of service by checking these boxes out before getting your account created. You could read through the terms of service via clicking on this section, and you could just simply go on to clicking on register now to get your account created. Once you do get your account created, you want to go on to logging into your account right now. And guys, as you can see right now, I'm logged back into my account. So to get to this page, which you can actually do see right here on my screen, you want to come onto this section right here. You want to click on offer tools, of which a drop down list will be shown to you. When you do click on that, select my offers and be brought to a page similar to this. And right now guys, you can just simply filter your offers to get offers from any country or demographic of your choice. As you can see, I'm using the United Kingdom demographic to select offers from. You could just simply scroll through. You'll be able to see a lot of offers from other demographic right there. Select the cool demographic which you want to utilize, but it's quite advisable you do go on to selecting a top tier country that do have a lot of high buying power and a lot of traffic right there. So if you do select top tier country like the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, Russia, or some other top tier countries out there, or maybe you want to just simply go on to scrolling through and select a very cool offer which you want to just simply go on to promoting. And if I select this offer right here, this is a very cool one, which is actually a sweepstake offer for an Amazon gift card. And you can see right here it says a €500 Amazon gift card. You can actually do see right here that the payout of this offer is about $1.70. It's an Apple iOS offer, an email and zip submit offer. So what this all actually means is that your leads need to be coming from the United Kingdom. They need to be using an Apple iOS device to submit their email and zip code while going through a survey. Using this your link, and you do get paid this amount per person that does that. So right now you could just simply copy the link to this page, and you want to just simply create a landing page for this particular offer. And you could just simply utilize platforms like the Google site right here, Systeme.io, Breezy.io, maybe Webflow, and other landing page builder sites out there. But what I'm going to do right now, because I'm not going to show you that, all you need to do to create a landing page if you are finding it difficult is to head on to my channel. Once you're on my channel homepage right here, click on this particular search icon right now in this section right here, and actually go on to typing in landing page. So if you do go on to typing in landing page right here and click on enter, you'll be able to see some cool videos about landing pages right here that can actually help you go on to boosting your income online. Because once you create a landing page right here, it helps you get better conversions to your CPA marketing offer. You can see right here, this is for the Systeme.io, this is actually for the Webflow, this is for Google site, this is also for Google site, this is for Breezy.cloud, and you can just simply check them out right there. They're actually cool videos that could help you out in creating good and amazing landing pages. So once you create a landing page for that offer and link that offer to your landing page, you then want to just simply promote this with this particular platform called the PUSHUB.net. As you can see the domain right here called PUSHUB.net. If you head onto this platform, you will find out that this is actually a paid ad platform you can utilize to your benefit right here. All you need to do to start utilizing this is to just simply click on get started, of which you'll be brought to this page right here where you want to provide your details such as your surname, your or your username right here, your password, confirm your password. You want to select your name, your company and website, email address, but basically guys, focus on the field having these asterisk signs. As you can see right here, again, those are actually the necessary fields which you must fill out. Fill them out right here, agree to the terms of service, and click on register. You will be sent a confirmatory email address to you right now, and once you do confirm that email right there, you can actually go on to login into your account. As you can see right here, this is a new account I created for this purpose right now, and this account right here has actually earned $0 right now. So basically you can see how cool it actually looks like right here. But what you want to do next guys is to click on campaigns right now, and as you can see, you can go on to creating campaigns right now. And if you do click on create campaign, you want to just simply fix in the campaign name right here. Maybe I can just simply select testing or test right here. Once I actually do fix in that right here, you want to insert a total budget. So if I do come right here and insert a total budget or a daily budget based on my preference right now, maybe I can insert a total budget of, just for instance, maybe $1,000 right now. And if I put in $1,000 for daily budget, I want to be spending about $10 daily or 12, 15 or so on like that, $15 daily. So you can actually do see right here for the default CPC, leave it as it is, don't go on to changing this. This is actually quite okay. You want to just simply come onto the campaign limit. You can actually do increase that or decrease that right there, but I'm just going to go on to increasing this right now to about 4 right now. So for the cost per click IP, you can actually do leave it as it is right here with all the clicks per IP right here, leave it as it is. Go on to clicking on next right now, and that's actually going to take you to this page where you just want to go on to turning off all locations right now. And once you do remove all locations, you want to just simply go on to searching for the United Kingdom. So if you do search for the United Kingdom right here, you'll be able to see that in the Western Europe section. So right now guys, you can see I've actually selected that under the Europe, Western Europe and United Kingdom right there. One that has been selected, you could come right here to target your time targeting right now. As you can see right here, this is actually the time targeting. You could also see the time of delay right now, fixing this to your preference. The operating system also fixed in them right here. So you can actually do select an operating system. Maybe it's because this offer right here is actually available for the Apple iOS devices. You want to just simply select an operating system that fits into that. Once you fix in that right here, maybe you could just simply come right here, turn off all, and you want to just simply go into selecting the iOS right now. And if you do select the iOS, you could also go into stating your reasons why right here, or you could just simply go into selecting the device type right now. Maybe you want to just simply click on yes to click filters. You can select the device type right here. As you can see, if I head back to this offer, you can see that this is actually a mobile device offer right here. So I'm just going to head back to that particular platform right now, and I'm actually going to go onto this platform right here, and you want to just simply go on to selecting the particular device right here, as that's actually going to be the mobile devices one that has been selected right now. You can turn off all others right now and make sure it's on only mobile devices. So right here guys, in this section you can select the device models right here, but I'm just going to go on to selecting Apple. So you want to just simply filter this to your preference. Once you are done right here, select the browser of your choice. So I'm just going to leave that on all browser right here, because you never might know the browser your leads might actually be using. So you could also change the connection type right here on this particular section. You could change the carrier's party, the country right here, and also the selected time right now. So just simply fill out all this section to your preference and actually click on next right here, of which if you do right now, it's going to take you to the page where you just simply have to confirm your editing, which you've actually been doing earlier on since right now. So as you can see right here, I'm on this page right here which says T and Q and analysis, like TQ and analysis right here. You can actually go on to selecting to show domain list right now. You could show the IP address list, you could show the feed list, show the Google analysis, show the conversion training, and also show impression tracking if you actually want to. Then once you're done right here, guys, you're going to move on to the next section, which is to actually select the type of ad. I usually prefer using the push ad, so I'm going to leave it as that. For the title right here, fixing a title, fixing a description, right here is where you're going to paste in the link to your landing page. And once you're done, guys, click on upload main image right here, which is to actually upload an image you want to just simply utilize for this purpose right now. Once you do that, go on to submitting this, and your ad will be published for a very cool and cheap amount of money right here by utilizing this particular platform. So don't forget right here to actually follow these simple steps to actually start getting some cool cash with CPA marketing. And if the video was helpful, why not just simply smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. Thank you for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.